Hello, Valet Service. This is John Nico speaking. How may I help you?
Good morning. Can you send somebody to pick up my laundry, please?
Alright, sir. May I know your name and your room number, please?
I'm John Ricky Robles from room 201.
Alright, sir. May I know how many laundry?
I have 3 pants, 4 polo, 4 blouse, and 1 dress.
Alright, sir. The laundry is 3 pants, 4 polo, 4 blouse, and 1 dress. Is everything correct, sir?
Yes?
Alright, sir. Is there anything else?
None, that's all.
Alright. Thank you for calling, sir.
Okay.
In about 5 minutes, a valet attendant will pick up the laundry and in your room.
Okay.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Good morning, sir. I'm Johnny Kujan from Ballet Service. We got pick up your laundry. May I come in?
Yes, you may.
Alright, sir. Can I check your laundry? You have 3 pants, 2 skirt, 4 polo, and 1 dress. All in good condition. Everything correct, sir?
Yes?
Alright, sir. I've got your laundry. What service do you prefer, sir? We have regular service in 12 hours, special service in 8 hours, and express service in 3 hours.
Express service, please.
Alright, sir. How would you like your clothes? Folded or hang?
Folded, please.
Alright, sir. Your laundry is 3 pants, 2 skirt, 4 polo, and 1 dress. All in good condition. You choose express service that will be delivered in 3 hours and folded laundry.
Okay.
Is there anything else, sir?
None?
How would you like to settle your bill, sir? Cash, credit card, or just charge to your room account?
Room account, please.
Alright, Mr. Robles. Your room number is 201. We will just charge it to your room account. Is there anything else, sir?
None?
Alright. Thank you for staying here. Have a nice day. Good morning, sir. I am Jonico from Valet Service. I am here to deliver your laundry. Where should I put your laundry, sir?
In my bed.
Alright, sir. By the way, here's your receipt and please do sign here.
Okay.
Is there anything else we could do for you, sir?
Nothing, thank you.
Alright, sir. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.
Bye.